Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have this vanity that I received from a family friend for free. It's small enough and narrow enough that I think it would make a really nice entryway table in someone's home or used as a vanity as it's intended to be. It has quite a few scratches on the top, but overall, it's in really good shape. It did come with its original hardware, but there was one knob that was missing, so it looks like I'll have to replace those. But before I could think about any colors or finishes, I had to clean it up really good. I don't always scrub my pieces, but instead usually just clean with a rag. But occasionally there are some pieces that are a little too dirty that I feel a rag alone won't be enough, just like this piece here. Using a brush for pieces that have carved detail like the legs on this vanity can really get in there a lot better than a rag alone. I just used some dish soap and warm water, and after scrubbing, I came back with a rag and just plain water to wipe back any residue. And don't worry, I didn't want to bore you with too much cleaning, but I definitely got inside all of the drawers and on the inside of the actual vanity. Once everything was completely dry, I came back and scuff sanded everything using a medium grit foam pad on my surf prep. I knew I didn't want to paint this piece, so I ended up deciding on using the Dixie Belle's Voodoo gel stain instead. Real quick before we continue, I want to thank LamomoNeon for sponsoring today's video. LamomoNeon is a LED neon sign brand. They provide custom LED neon signs, UV printing neon signs, and DIY neon strips that can be used for a wide range of events. They're great for home decor, wedding scenes, your business, parties, you name it. They are custom, so you can achieve personalized customization functions to fit your needs. What I've enjoyed most about these custom signs is not only being able to design how I want it to look, but the fact that they are not glass. Like, especially in an environment like this workspace where I'm hanging it, I don't have to worry about accidentally breaking it, because we all know that those glass signs, if you accidentally tap them with something hard, they'll shatter. It only made sense for me to get a custom sign with the words "Be Kind" that I will display here for now, but hope to one day be able to display it in my own shop. Since the placement is temporary, I am going to use these to secure it to the wall for now. Custom neon lights are equipped with installation and power accessories you need and are easy to install in a short period of time. Their LED strip lights are brighter and wider than other competitors. I have their warm white 12 volt and a 49.2 foot length. They are waterproof with the exception of the adapter, making them great for either indoor or outdoor use. You can create all kinds of designs since they are very flexible, and even cut them if you wanted or needed to. You probably remember this house frame I built for my daughter's bedroom. I decided to add the LED strip lights around it to help make it stand out even more. I secured it using the included clips and screws, and it was super easy to install. I just followed along the outline that I had created, and that was it. Don't forget that if you're not able to DIY the LED strip light for whatever reason into the design that you want, LamomoNeon can customize your signs on their website and receive ready-made products that you can use for your home decor. You can learn more about Lamomo and see their products via their website or on their Amazon store. I will have the links down in the description. Again, thank you to Lamomo for sponsoring today's video. After doing the drawers, I remembered that the top had a couple of small areas I needed to repair the veneer, and I used a 2-part Bondo wood filler to fill these spots in and then sanded them smooth. You've seen me mix and use this stuff a lot. Gel stain, unlike regular stain, sits on top of the surface, so my plan at this point was to do 2 coats of the lighter color, enough to cover the majority of the original color stain, but I felt fine with some of it still peeking through. Once that was dry, I wanted to add a darker color and blend it using the Black Sheep House method for the Pottery Barn wood finish. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. I did another video recently where I did that. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't like the way this is turning out. And I think this is the first time in a very long time where I feel like this looks nothing like what I had in my head, what I had in mind for this piece. And so at this point, I feel like it's ruined. Not ruined as in I won't be able to fix it, ruined as in the finish that I had in mind isn't what it's turning out to be. So I'm going to have to start all over, unfortunately. The colors just look a little bit off. It's really not that bad, but I don't want not that bad. I want it to look good, right? Just like any other furniture flip that I do. I want it to be something that I would purchase myself from somebody else, or that I would purchase at a store or something like that, right? That's the type of flawless finish that I want to create whenever I do a furniture flip. And this is just not it for me. At this point, I think I'm going to just completely remove everything that I did and start completely fresh, because I think that that's the only way that I'm going to be able to get a finish that I'm actually happy with. The finish overall, as you can see, is not bad. It looks uniformed. It looks really good. It's the color combination of maybe seeing a lot more of that red undertone than I would have liked is what's maybe throwing me off here. But like I said, I think that it'll just be better if I just completely start over. So unfortunately for me, and unfortunately for you as the viewer, I have ran out of time this week in order to start all over with this. So I'm gonna have to leave you guys hanging. I've already started the process of removing the finish by the time you watch this video, and hopefully in getting to the point of refinishing it. So stay tuned until the next video so that you can see how this one turns out. And again, I'm really sorry to leave you guys hanging. I'm not doing this intentionally. I wish that I could have really liked the way the finish was looking, but I just don't like it. I'm not happy with it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video through all the way from the beginning until here. If you made it all the way, And again, I will see you guys in the next video where we are going to take this project on once again and start all over to give us hopefully that flawless finish that I'm looking for. I love y'all. Be kind. See y'all next week. Bye.